Hi, I'd like to show you today's my dinner. This is actually made from soya bean, the drink, the soya bean drink, the residue. You can actually make into soya bean curd. This is actually beancurd, which I put some herbs like rosemary, thyme, and some chili powders, pepper, and flour, corn flour, normal flour, and then mix it together and then pan fry it, some oil. So basically, this is it. It's very good. Yeah, I don't think anyone sells this in Singapore. It's basically I just created this recipe. It's delicious. If you like, you can try it as well. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share with others as well. Bye.